Rwanda is one of the cleanest, most beautiful and well-organized countries in Africa, and this is my story of how I got there as a Nigerian. I applied for an East African visa which allows entry into Kenya, Uganda and Rwanda. It only costs $100. To get to Rwanda, I first flew from Nigeria to Kenya. I spent 1 month exploring Kenya, visiting Nairobi National Park, and I almost didn't want to go to Rwanda since I was already enjoying Kenya. But I remember again, the plan was East Africa. So from Nairobi, Kenya, I took a bus to Uganda. I used Mashpal, which cost about 2,500 Kenya shilling, about 20 to 30,000 naira. Now the journey lasted a day and a half. I spent 2 days in Uganda exploring a bit before catching the bus to Rwanda. So I used Trinity, costing about 40,000 Uganda shilling, which is about 20 to 30k as well. That trip took about a day and soon I found myself in Kigali. Rwanda is unlike any other place I've been. Like, the streets are quiet, litter-free and calm, almost giving you a European vibe. I tried their food, visited several amazing places and even made new friends. The only downside, clubbing ends at 2 a.m. Once the clock strikes 2, everyone heads home. So what do you think? Would you like to explore Rwanda? Let me know in the comments.